Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon turkey leg. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our funny turkey leg, let's begin by drawing the top. So I'm going to begin here and we're just going to make a line that's just going to curve around and it's going to come back in like this. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up in kind of like a zigzag pattern, and then we're going to bring it to here. Now for the bone, we're just going to draw a line that comes down on each side. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around and up, and then we're just going to go down and then up for the bone. Now let's make like a funny face. Let's begin by drawing a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye. We're going to put a little black dot inside each one for the pupil. We're going to make a curve for the mouth, and then a line's going to go down and over. We're going to curve this up for the tongue. And then we're going to make 1, 2, and 3 bumps for some teeth. And then a line that comes up for the mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun, cute little turkey drumstick. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.